welcome back. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy's Glam bag is a $25 a month subscription. In it, you get 5 full-sized items. And, with the updated choice, now you get to choose 3 of the 5 items. I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of feel like if you're choosing it, then how is it a mystery box kind of thing? But you do get to choose 3 of your items, and I did pick 3 of mine this time. Usually I don't, but without further ado, we're going to open up this box. So this month's theme was like home for the holidays. My alarm to tell me I need to go to work soon. We're going to turn that off. Okay, so it's home for the holidays. No, they used to put like what you get in here. That's not what they're putting in here anymore. They've got a de-stress your hair recipe, and then they have a lighten your skin recipe. That's okay. I don't mind getting these, but at the same time, I do miss not having the list of items. And then new for 2021 is the new Glam Bag X. It isn't updated, so there's going to be like every 3 months or so you get additional products for $30 a month. I'm going to see about getting it. I don't know yet. So the first item I have in here was I picked everything but these 2. So the first item is by Shauna B. Miami, and it is a brush and highlight palette. I do have her Miami eyeshadow palette, so I thought it would be good to have the blush and the highlight palette. So this is what it looks like, and I do like these colors. I like the flamingos on them. I don't know. I think the pinks will be okay, and maybe, I don't know though, this one is really dark. So let's watch this one, the gold and the light pink highlight thing. I am a very pale person, but that's what they look like on. There's the gold in the middle, and then the light pink one right there. So that's kind of okay. So yeah, I don't mind it. So that's the first item. The second item I also picked. We'll do the ones I picked real quick. Is by Huda Beauty, and it is a 3D highlight palette. I do have one of these. I don't know if it's this one, but that's why I picked it. But I do like Huda Beauty. I like the pigment in here, but I will show you what these are. And I will tell you, I don't know offhand if this is the one that I have. I really don't. But yeah, so I will throw on the Zanzibar, the Tahiti, and the Fiji. I feel like, the Fiji's kind of green. I feel like I don't have this one because this is a highlight palette. Holy smokes. So, let's swatch it here. Why not? So that is what that one looks like, and this one's a cream. I don't usually use cream, so, but the other 2 will be pretty. But that is what that one looks like. I feel like the other one's just like not this. This is like a highlighter palette, and I feel like the other one was like a contour palette, but I might be wrong. I'm getting these back in these plastic. Like, I like them in the plastic, but getting them back in here is not easy. Alright, and the last item I picked was by Row & Co. And this is an all-in-one elixir spray. It doesn't really... It just says make your hair the main focus. I don't know. Is this an aerosol? I don't know. Do you shake it first? Oh. Yeah, it's going to be like an aerosol. Ooh. I'm such a hot mess. I'm like, oh, I'll just spray this, and then it doesn't work. It's supposed to be like an anti-frizz. It says it fights frizz, it hydrates. I don't know. I can't tell if it did anything or not. I'm having to work anyway, so it doesn't matter. So, I like R&Co. So, that'll be fun to play with. This is by Wonder Beauty. And I don't know what it is. It says it's an eyeliner. It's Beauty in Jet Black. I don't know. It's weird. I saw this in the description stuff, and the tip of this was out, and I don't. So it makes me kind of curious. So this is what it looks like. It looks like just a crayon. I'm going to just swatch it right here. Yeah, it's just a crayon. But, I had this out, and I don't know why. I don't know what that is. It looks like a sharpener a little bit. I don't know. But, either way, that's kind of neat. So I'll give that a try. And the last item is by IBY, and it's an eyeshadow palette that says Fireside. So it's Ipsy exclusive. I have a few eyeshadows by them, and their pigment's usually really good. So I'm not like hating on it here. Don't know how much I'll use the green, but we will swatch a couple. S'mores is a matte. Cozy Up is a shimmer. We'll try Hoodie and Black Ice. Maybe that green in a second. Let's swatch those. So, Black Ice, Hoodie, S'mores, and Cozy Up. Those, it's kind of nice. Let me get this Evergreen real quick. I'm curious of how green it is. And that's the Evergreen. So, yeah. I really like it. It'll be nice to have. And then the bag at the bottom is just, it's got like a liner in it, but it's just a little red bag. And I do like this. Put all your stuffs in it. Carry all your stuffs around. So, that is my $25 bag by Ipsy. I do unboxings and gaming, so at any time, you can check out in my description. All the links to the sites are on there. So if any bag looks interesting and you want to subscribe, you can click that link and it'll take you right there. Why do I have all this stuff everywhere? And something smells. I think that's the Rope R&Co. It has this perfumey smell. But anyway, I'm a hot mess. Sorry. So, just hit the subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. I heart your face. Bye.